All right, guys, I was recently at a Holiday Inn Express hotel, and they had a breakfast area where they had fruit and cereal and oatmeal and various kinds of eggs, as well as sausages and biscuits and gravy. They also had a pancake making machine, and that's what I want to show you today. This little device here will make pancakes in about a minute. They have the batter already installed in the top, and they have instructions, which is basically just a little 3-step or 2-step instruction sheet, and that tells you to put your plate under one end, and then you will push the OK button on this end, and this is designed to crank out 2 pancakes. So it puts out the batter for the first pancake, and it starts it down the conveyor belt. It goes in between a couple of heating areas, I'm sure, and then it kind of gives you an idea, an update on where the pancake is in the cooking process, and then it's time to crank out the other batter for the other pancake. And down it comes and starts moving down that same chute or conveyor belt. And as it does, it cooks and does so very quickly. And this is probably about a minute and a half, well, maybe about a minute, to be honest with you. Does not take long at all. You can watch it work, and it gives you updates along the way in case you're worried about where your pancake is. And then what you'll do is you'll come around to the end, and you will actually see that pancake starting to come on out. And that's what you like to see. So that did not take long at all. And I'll be honest with you, I had pretty low expectations for the pancakes. I like pancakes. I did not think they were going to taste that good. But wow, they were really good. Pretty thin. I like them thin. And here comes pancake number 2. Pretty cool device. Again, about a minute, and you've got a couple of pancakes. And who doesn't love that? Then you add your butter and syrup or whatever you put on there. There you go. Happy breakfast. Man, I like this. I might need to buy one. That's some good stuff.